While every case is unique, the settlement amounts can vary widely. Here are some general settlement ranges based on injury severity in California, which can help provide a rough estimate of what to expect. Minor injuries, like whiplash sprains. Settlements for minor injuries can range from a few $1,000s to around $25,000. This range depends on factors such as the duration of medical treatment, the extent of pain and suffering, and any lost wages due to the injury. Moderate injuries, such as fractures, herniated discs. Settlements for moderate injuries typically fall between $25,000 to $75,000 or more. These cases often involve more extensive medical care, physical therapy, and a longer recovery period, which can significantly impact the settlement amount. Severe injuries, for example, traumatic brain injury, spinal cord injury. Severe injuries often result in settlements exceeding $100,000. In cases of permanent disability or significant disfigurement, settlements can reach millions of dollars. These cases usually involve long-term medical care, rehabilitation, and a substantial impact on the victim's quality of life. To illustrate the range of settlements, here are some real-life examples from California. Traumatic brain injury. A young woman suffered a traumatic brain injury in a car accident caused by a drunk driver. Her settlement exceeded $5 million to cover lifelong medical care and lost earning capacity. Multiple fractures. A construction worker sustained multiple fractures in a rear-end collision. His settlement was $1.2 million, accounting for lost wages, medical expenses, and ongoing physical therapy. Catastrophic injury. A pedestrian was struck by a car, resulting in a catastrophic injury that required amputation and extensive rehabilitation. The settlement reached $10 million to provide for a lifetime of medical needs and support. Section 5. Practical tips for maximizing your settlement. Here are some practical tips to help you maximize your car accident settlement in California. First, document everything. Take photos of the accident scene, your injuries, and any property damage. Keep detailed records of medical appointments, treatments, and expenses. Next, work with an experienced attorney. An attorney specializing in car accidents can protect your rights, negotiate with insurance companies, and fight for the maximum compensation you deserve. And finally, be patient. Settlement negotiations take time. Avoid rushing into a settlement that doesn't fully address your needs. Section 6. The role of an experienced car accident attorney. An experienced car accident attorney plays a crucial role in maximizing your settlement. Here's how they can help. Attorneys have resources to thoroughly investigate the accident, gather evidence, and establish liability. They can accurately assess the full extent of your damages, including future medical expenses and lost earning capacity. Attorneys are skilled negotiators who can effectively deal with insurance adjusters and fight for your best interests. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, your attorney is prepared to file a lawsuit and represent you in court. Section 7. Navigating the settlement process. The settlement process typically involves several stages. Your attorney will send a demand letter to the at-fault driver's insurance company, outlining your case and demanding a fair settlement. The insurance company may make a counteroffer and negotiations will ensue. Be prepared to provide documentation and evidence to support your claim. If a settlement is reached, both parties will sign a legally binding agreement. Once the agreement is finalized, the insurance company will issue the settlement payment. Section 8. Common mistakes to avoid during settlement negotiations. Here are some common mistakes to avoid during settlement negotiations. Insurance companies often make low initial offers. Don't settle for less than what you deserve. Avoid giving recorded statements to the insurance company without consulting your attorney. Carefully review any documents before signing, especially releases that waive your right to future claims. Be honest with your attorney and doctors about the extent of your injuries to ensure you receive appropriate compensation. Section 9. Conclusion. Seeking personalized legal advice. The information in this video provides a general overview of car accident settlements in California. However, every case is unique, and it's crucial to seek personalized legal advice from an experienced car accident attorney. They can assess your specific circumstances, answer your questions, and guide you through the legal process to help you obtain the maximum compensation you deserve.